Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are fine and enjoying study. I'm Kinjal Sonchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel StudyZone. This is the third tutorial of Statistics chapter 14th of standard 9th. In last session we have done exercise 14.1 and in this session we will go to next. So don't waste your time, go to the session. Today's topics are representation of data, data table, example 1, row data, range and obviously homework. So starting with the first, representation of data. But first of all, what is data? Data is anything like names, surname, any numbers like that. Those are called data. Any temperature you can say. So how can we represent it? How can we represent this data? So we have two types for representation. First is data tables and second is diagrammatic presentation. So starting with the first, data tables. So what is data tables? A table facilitates representation. Means here organized representation of even large amount of data. Means there is no fix for any amount for data, right? In an attractive, easy to read and organized manner. Attractive means we want to see many times. Easy to read means we can find anything, right? And organized manner means it is in ascending order or in descending order or alphabetical way, like that. So it is a data table facilitates representation even large amounts of data in an attractive, easy to read and organized manner. The data is organized in row and column. Row and column. But what is row and what is column? See, here we have two columns, roll number and name. Two columns are roll number and name and 3 rows, roll number, name, 1, XYZ, 2, M and O. Got it? So here I have written 2 columns and 3 rows. And you can find easily by roll number, by names, right? Now go to next, because now you know what is data tables. Here example 1, which is from your textbook. So example 1 is consider the marks obtained by 10 students in a mathematics test as given below. So your numbers are 55, 36, 95, 73, 60, 42, 25, 78, 75 and 62. It is not in any manner, like not in ascending order, not in descending order, like that, right? It is written by as it is, right? So that is called raw data. Now you know what is raw data. So raw data is a data that has not been processed for use. Means we cannot find easily any number like minimum value, maximum value, like that. It is represented exactly as it was captured at its source without sorting. It is not sorting, right? Because it is not in any way. It is not written in any way, right? Now you can arrange this data in ascending order. Yes, of course, you can arrange. So I have written in ascending order 25, 36, 42, 55, 60, 62, 73, 75, 78, 95. So now you can find easily minimum value and maximum value, or you can say highest number and lowest number, right? So highest number is 95 and lowest number is 25. Now you have to find difference between them. Difference means you have to find subtraction between them, highest number minus lowest number. Here the highest number is 95 and lowest number is 25. So highest number minus lowest number, 95 minus 25 equals to 70, right? So what is that? That is called range. That is called range. So here the difference between the lowest and highest value is called range. Now you know about row data as well as range, right? Now go to next. Row data. Row data is a data that has not been processed for use. It is represented exactly as it was captured at its source without sorting. Got it? Now go to next. Range. The difference between the lowest and highest value, that is called range. Now go to next. It's homework time, and the question is, consider the marks obtained by 10 students in a mathematics test as given below. 35, 36, 100, 73, 60, 43, 28, 78, 75, 63, and find the range. So now you know what should you do. First of all, arrange in ascending order, then find the highest value and lowest value, and after that find the difference between them. That is called range. Best of luck, students. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. If you have any doubt about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Bye bye.